Imagine a world where saving a life doesn't require a needle. For decades, millions of people with severe allergies have lived in fear not just of the reaction, but of the cure, the EpiPen. It's bulky, it's intimidating, and it hurts. But today, we are looking at the company that finally killed the needle. You are looking at ARS Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol SPRY. For years, investors watched ARS Pharmaceuticals as a speculative biotech play. Will the FDA approve it? Can a nasal spray really replace an injection? Those questions are now history. Based on the documents we have analyzed specifically, the 2024 Annual Report and the Q3 2025 filings, we are no longer looking at a science project. We are looking at a commercial powerhouse in the early innings of disrupting a multi-billion-dollar market. Today, we are going deep into the investment thesis for ARS Pharmaceuticals. We will dissect the successful launch of neffy, the global partnerships that are unlocking value in Europe and Japan, and the financial transformation that defined 2025. By the end of this video, you will understand why this small nasal spray is making such a massive splash in the healthcare sector. Chapter 1. The Product Revolution. Neffy. Let's start with the core product, neffy. It is the first and only needle-free epinephrine nasal spray. In August 2024, the FDA gave it the green light. In September 2024, it launched in the US. Why is this a big deal? Compliance. The 10K filings highlight a terrifying statistic. Many patients hesitate to use their EpiPen during anaphylaxis because of needle phobia. Neffy solves this instantly. It's small, painless, and easy to use. The 2025 financial reports show that this isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. We are seeing rapid adoption not just from patients, but from allergists and pediatricians who finally have a better option to prescribe. Chapter 2. The Commercial Pivot. 2024-2025. The transition from 2024 to 2025 was the turning point. In the 2024 10K, the language was all about preparation. By the Q3 2025 10Q, the language shifted to execution. We see the first waves of significant revenue coming in. The company moved from burning cash on R&D to generating cash from sales. Launching a drug is expensive, but ARS executed smartly. Instead of building a massive, bloated sales force, they targeted the high-prescribing allergists and leveraged digital channels. The filings show a disciplined approach to selling general and administrative SG&A expenses, ensuring that every dollar spent drove prescriptions. Chapter 3. Going Global. The Partnership Strategy. ARS Pharmaceuticals isn't just a US story. It's a global platform. The Q3 2025 report highlights the ALK collaboration agreement. This is crucial. Instead of trying to go it alone in Europe, they partnered with ALK-Abelló, a global leader in allergy treatments. ALK pays ARS upfront and milestone payments, plus tiered royalties. This allows ARS to monetize the European market without the headache of setting up infrastructure in dozens of countries. Similarly, in Japan, they have a partnership with Alfresa, and in Australia, New Zealand with CSL Seqirus. These deals validate the technology. Global pharma giants don't sign checks unless the data is solid. These partnerships provide non-dilutive capital that strengthens the balance sheet. Chapter 4. Financial Health and the Moat. Let's look at the numbers. The Q3 2025 balance sheet is robust. The company has maintained a strong cash position to support the launch. But the real asset here is the moat. Competitors are years behind, developing a nasal spray that delivers epinephrine into the bloodstream as fast, as an injection is incredibly difficult. ARS has the patents, the FDA approval, and now the first mover advantage. Every day that neffy is on the market, it becomes more entrenched as the new standard of care. Chapter 5. Future Growth. Beyond the launch. So, what is next? Why should you care in 2026? First, the pediatric expansion. The filings mention the development of lower doses 1 mg for smaller children. This opens up a massive segment of the market-worried parents who are terrified of injecting their toddlers. Second, market expansion. The epinephrine market has been stagnant because of the needle. Neffy expands the market. People who stopped carrying an EpiPen are now carrying neffy, the total addressable market. TAM is actually getting bigger because of this product. Conclusion. ARS Pharmaceuticals has successfully navigated the valley of death, that kills most biotech companies. They got approved. They launched. They partnered. Now they are scaling. We are witnessing the obsolescence of the EpiPen in real time. It won't happen overnight, but the trajectory is clear. For investors looking for a growth story, with a de-risked asset and a clear path to profitability, ARS Pharmaceuticals checks every box. The needle is gone. The future is here.